Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Feathers up. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day out here in nature. It's raining. Just started raining literally before I was recording today. But that's okay. That's certainly okay. Let me know how y'all feeling. Your day. What I was going to say is this. If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. You can send us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, I don't know why not. Make sure you go do that. Get one of our courses. We got a business course for you guys. You guys want to start a business, hey, we got it. If you guys do have a business and you want to further enhance it, hey, we got that in the description box. So make sure you guys get with that. You dig. And also, too, we also got a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys have seen we crafted this type of stuff. And we also even have we got a one-of-a-kind apparel. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video. Let's get this likes up on this stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already. But I wanted to talk to you guys about this video right here, man. I really started to think like how much, many times I had to talk to black people because they come up to me and say, oh, they got prostate issues. They had to get their prostate in. Some people going inside their prostate, basically raping them. And they say it's for health. And then they taking out, and even had their prostate removed and stuff like that. And it's just like, golly, they doing all this type of stuff to try to get inside you, cut you open, draw this type of blood, do this and do that. And here I am. I'm just telling you to live a natural way of life. I really am telling you to live a natural way of life. I'm telling you to eat now. I said, hey, man, you need alcohol. And I've looked at these people. And these people are health professionals. They work in an orthodontist office. And it's just like, they're not healthy. They're not healthier, I should say. So it's just like, man, oh freaking man. You know what? Like, these people aren't even, and it's like, I'm sitting there telling you, man, eat a mango. Like, I don't know, man. I got this. And I'm like, hey, and it's like, oh, you got the disease? Okay, if you have the disease, what you got to do is you got to fast. You got to fast in order to get rid. I can't do that because I got the blood pressure. I got the diabetes. I got the... what is it? How long you been taking these meds for? How long has you been taking these meds for, man? I think I just saw lightning. Frick. How long you been taking these meds for? You been taking these meds for so long? You've been taking these meds for so long, right? And you've been taking all they drugs and whatnot. And look, and guess what? You got to come back to get refills. Refills for your disease. They just come back to get refills and it just cools it down. That really sounds like disease maintenance. That doesn't sound like they're not actually doing any healing. Yeah, by this, you lightning. So look. And then, it's kind of hard. I went out of my way just to show people healingthroughinspiration.com, like our people, because I'm so passionate about our health. Because nobody else tells us. Nobody else really tells us, and nobody really knows how to heal. They don't. They freaking don't. They go in and get advice from pale people, pale foreigners. They don't even know they're foreigners because they steady calling themselves black. That is a mental illness in itself. And you can look at my skin complexion and tell me, is it black? Is my skin the same color as this shirt, what they call black? No, the frick it's not. Not even my hair is black. Nothing on my body is black because even on your hair, on your ID is listed as quote-unquote dark brown. And they're wrong for calling you dark because dark is synonymous with the word black. Oh my lightning. This is awesome. You know, they're calling you black. They're calling you dark. Dark is synonymous with the word black and dark. And you know, where did the dark age in the dark ages? Where did that take place in? That took place in Europe. And then black. Look at the etymology of the word black. Black is be like. You be like light. You be like knowledge. You be like pigmentation. You dig? So black means pale. So who are the people that lived in the dark ages? These pale people. They're black. They're dark. You don't recognize it. But I'm sitting there telling you to eat. Sitting there telling you to eat watermelon. Oh, we eat watermelon. Why the frick y'all niggas want to eat watermelon without the seeds in it? Huh? What the frick the sense does that make, nigga? Watermelon without the seeds in it. Nigga, you need the seeds, boy. You really do. Really. Y'all need the seeds, man. And y'all eating these fruits without seeds in it. They're supposed to have seeds in it, and they're altering it. I just got a question for y'all who eat fruits without seeds in it. Fruits that's supposed to have seeds in it, but that happens to have it without seeds in it. What do y'all think? How do you think they plant those seeds? How do you think they'll plant those fruits, huh? Come on. Come on. And y'all really disrupting your body because y'all putting these hybrid altered foods in which naturally, as natural people, I say natural people with skin is the same color as the soil, skin is the same color as the trees, and our hair grows as the trees. We are natural. We are natured people. That's why we resemble the land. The original habits resemble the land. You dig? You dig what I'm saying? And people over here, man, they're like, it's like, I don't know, they're not even thinking. But as I was saying, like, you're getting sick. Like, you want to get advice on these pale people and about how to heal you. Their spectrum as far as in scale how to heal you is only really for them. It's not for them. It's not for them at all. It's not for them at all. They're doing this stuff they're basing it off of them, and they're just like, oh, you're coming. This is why when I went to nursing school, they had all these drugs, Nearly every single drug on there said may not work for so-called African Americans, may not work for so-called African Americans, may not work for African Americans, may not work for African Americans, may not work. And I said, what the frick? What is this? I even asked my teacher. She was half breed, but she's African American. She's an actual African American. Africanus. Go look at the image of Africanus, pale male, pale people up here in America. Wouldn't that make them the African Americans? Okay. Anyways, and she couldn't give me a clear answer. She said it didn't. Like she said, it doesn't. Like she doesn't know. She said it just doesn't. That's all she said. They didn't give me a clear answer. I'm like, and I said, what the frick? What is this? But yet y'all want to go and get their health advice, their counsel on your health and all their healing in order to heal your diseases as a whole. You do it as a whole. And I'm like, what the heck are you going to do it as a whole in order to get their health and their healing when they're not even trying to heal their diseases? Because they are liars. They're biggest liars ever. They really are. They're not even trying to heal their stuff. They don't say a word about, they normalize pedophilia. They normalize rape. They normalize lice, ticks, all this stuff for real. And y'all think it's okay? Get the frick up out of here, bro. That's disgusting, yo. Real spit. And they never try to heal the disease, because I'm like, they talk about your disease and this disease, and I'm like, why don't they heal disease, the one disease they first got when they were born? That is the disease. They allergic to the mother freaking sun. What the frick? How the frick you gonna be allergic to the sun, nigga? Where you go? It's everywhere, nigga. Huh? Where the frick you gonna go? And you know what? I ain't just gonna leave it alone. If people talk about it's just the sun, it's these motherfucking plants. Cause these motherfucking plants, the insects, they know the difference. These plants, they all know the soil turned the soil turned a little different. The animals know too. They can sniff them out. They can sniff them out and they smell them. And that's why they pounce on them so much. They pounce on them much because they trying to get rid of them. Because they trying to get rid of them. Trying to cleanse the land. Don't belong here. Don't belong here. Not made by nature. Sitting there out in the sun. Sitting out in the sun. Oh, y'all saw that lightning. I know I did. Sitting out in the sun trying to get tan. And I was listening to him because this is when I told y'all I used to work at Starbucks. And it's like, oh, I'm so sore from this weekend. I went to I was at the beach. I laid out all day. I'm sore from here to all the way to my legs, to my body, my legs all the way up. And I was just like, I was surprised. I was like, wow, they really sore, aching pain from the sun. You still gonna stay in the sun? I'm like, shoot. And I'm like, y'all ever think y'all motherfuckers don't belong here? Huh? Y'all motherfuckers ever think y'all don't belong here? They telling you to go back to Africa. Hey, I even said that. I might say that to a brother. I might even be helping. Because unlike them, I used to be a Pan-African. I'm not going to lie to y'all. And unlike these Pan-Africans, I actually tried to go to Africa. But the ancestors let me know that ain't my home, man. That ain't my home. Your home right here, do you dig? Your home right here, the American continent. You are the American. You dig? That's how we wear the American meaning shirt. You know, you guys seen it at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Pertaining to the original inhabitants or copper-colored races here found by Europeans. Source 1828 First Webster's Dictionary. Pale faces don't like that. They don't like that. Try to play lies and whatnot. They see me. Y'all seen the video when I had my green face paint. When I did interview the pale man, he was telling me about the American Indian Navy in the Navy. You did go check that out, y'all. And when he admits who the real American is. When I was that same day, I was at the grocery store. When I was at the grocery store, there was this pale foreigner. He seen my face paint. He seen me my face paint. He said, "Oh, what's that on your head? What's that on your face? What's that on your face paint?" I said, "What's the makeup for?" He said, "What's the makeup set?" "It's my cultural attire." He said, "Oh, okay. Oh, I'm Native American." And I'm like, I'm not about to deal with the word Native Americans. I didn't even say that because Native American is a patent term owned by the United States government. So you can be a property of the government. And the word native actually means foreigner. Native means foreigner. It's a Native American. If Native American meant Native American or American, why do you have to put the word native in front of it? Because you're calling yourself foreign American. Native means indigenous. Indigenous means foreigner. Go look up the etymology. Don't argue with me. Please. It's public information. Go do that. Go do your due diligence. Please. So with that, I said, I just cut to the chase with this pale foreigner. He had a bald head, you know. And I said, where's your mother's from? Oh, she's from Spain. Oh, you're a Spaniard. I said, you're a Spaniard. Hey, guess where my mother's from? She's from here. Yeah, I'm American. I'm original inhabitant. This is my land. He's like, oh, okay. And I think he said his tribe beforehand, but I'm just and something. I'm like, I'm an original inhabitant. Yeah, this is my land. Yeah. He said, oh, okay, yeah, man, thank you. Okay, have a great day, brother. Something like some little fake ass stuff. I'm looking at these pale faces. You're not an original inhabitant. Stop playing with it. And you know what? That's something too that these Native Americans like to do. They like to paint this lie and tell people like this struggle. And it's just you're just pale. You're just freaking pale. Like, you try to tell the story and look for sympathy and act like this stuff happened to you. It didn't happen to you. It happened to my people. It happened to me, the original inhabitant. You're not original to the land. Can you be out here in the sun? Are you the original people of the land? I've been asking for this. They don't want to address that. Or I've been here all my life. I didn't ask you that. Yet y'all go to seek counsel by these people. Come on now. Y'all go to get counsel. Seek counsel by these people, man. Real talk. And if y'all look deep inside, y'all look even forward. They was walking on all fours. They still are to this day. I'ma say it like that. That's when it get old. Old, because old is synonymous with dying. We are timeless. Time doesn't exist. Who are you to say there's 7 days in a week, 24 hours in a day? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say the clock goes back forward? Who are you to say the clock goes back an hour? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say what an hour is? We're ancient people, man. Ancient people. It's the same cycle. We are the trees, and same cycle is supposed to be growing. You dig? This is why when they get old, they're dying, they get a hunchback in their walk, in their stance, in their bluefoots. You know, the pale-faced bluefoot. Shout out to the brother Yamasi. Go ahead, go check out the brother Yamasi Feathers Up on Instagram. He drops the knowledge on Instagram. Go check the brother. He's a real American, you dig. That's what he called him, you dig. So it's like, shoot, man. Y'all go and seek their counsel. They not even trying to do that. What you gonna say, sunscreen? Sunscreen ain't gonna heal you, motherfucker. Because motherfuckers, I done seen these motherfuckers get beat the hell up by the sun and they still put on sunscreen. And you ain't gonna have unlimited supply of sunscreen because sunscreen is not natural. So what the frick you gonna do? Huh? And what's the ingredients in there? Y'all wanna talk about that? Video size limit almost reached soon. So if y'all want to talk about that and you want to change, you can book a one-on-one consultation at info@healingthroughinspiration or send us a DM on Healing Through Inspiration on Instagram. You go check out our courses, the links in the description box, and the business course too if you guys serious. Like I said, let me hear your feedback and share this on this one, yo. Let's get this one growing up, all right, you dig? Be out here abundant, out here in nature, you dig? Peace, love, and light.